I'd share this with everyone. I haven't done a video in a while. This is farm equipment that's been out here for who knows how long. It's pretty neat. All 100 years old. That cool? There's trees growing up all through it. Pretty wild. Well, happy springtime, everyone, and hopefully everyone has a good summer. Take care.